It's the 31st of January 2013. We're in Sydney, Australia, doing a demonstration and a test of Dalmaya's new Panomera, which is a system of cameras that all stitch together, 9 cameras in this particular model that we have, where we will have an overview in high definition of a large area of 9 cameras that you'll see that are represented as one image. Over on our display, we'll see the overview of the image that we're seeing, which is approximately 300 metres away from the camera. From this location we're able to see the waterway, the boat. We can set up multiple screens for multiple users, ideal in control room environments where you would have one operator moving across here to have a look at what's going on the boat, for example, and another operator looking down to see what's happening, whether there's a fight or assault. Terrific for public domains, stadiums, airports and the like. We're testing light levels of this system overnight. This is the second test in Australia with a sensor or a system that has a lot more sensors. We previously conducted a similar test which went really well. The high definition status, as you can see, over 300 metres away, we're able to get significant detail, and keeping in mind that whilst we're doing this whole picture is being recorded, unlike a traditional pan-tilt zoom camera whereby if we move over and have a look here, we're not recording what was happening over there. With the Panomera, Dalmaya's Panomera system, we're able to capture all the footage all of the time.
Yeah, that's correct. So it's continuous recording of all, in this case, 9 streams, of which one is like overview, as Rick explained. The other are basically position focused, so they compose a seamless picture. And this seamless picture is recorded in real time live. So that means you can actually see live view, but also when we play back, we can do exactly the same thing. We can pan and tilt around the whole Panomera area. Another important thing is to highlight is, because with Dalmaya we are using a very efficient video compression, H.264, we actually can record all 9 of these megapixel cameras in very low bandwidth. Basically we don't require any more than 36 or 40 megabits per second in this instance, which means just an average 100 megabits per second switch, good quality switch, will be sufficient. And there is no interruption of the continuous live streaming, and at the same time multiple people, multiple operators can view it live, multiple operators can play it back live without interrupting the recording.
Another useful feature of the system is, like traditional pan-tilt zooms where you can have presets, we can set the same thing up with the Panomera. You'll see on our overview screen we have red dots, and each one of those can be custom. You can add the dots wherever you wish, click on those, and the camera immediately goes to those locations.
So it's ideal for covering large open spaces, typically stadiums, airports, places like down in Harbour where you've got a lot of activity, and it does not require moving mechanism. This is the biggest advantage, and multiple operators being able to see it at the same time is another big advantage compared to traditional system.
Now, customOZ is a certified installer of Dalmaya systems. We receive no benefit for the tests that we conduct, which are being done independently. From previous tests and also this test, we've done we confirm that at this stage we've seen no issues with the system. It performs extremely well. In some of the scenarios, the cost analysis that we've been doing, it proves to be more cost effective than to have 9 pan-tilt zoom cameras, to have one system that multiple operators can use that's recording the whole area at one time. We're very impressed so far. We are independent, we're still evaluating, but I must say at this stage we highly recommend the Panomera to our clients.
And then maybe you could just